just got home. It's so cold. And right now my leg hurts so bad, but whatever. I have a lot of homework to do tonight. Just a lot of things to do. But I hope there's no school tomorrow. Although I have work tomorrow, which sucks. But hopefully there's no school. Doing some homework. So I have to do this portfolio thing. And yeah, I don't want to do it at all. But it's still Friday, so kind of have to do it. Just so you know. While doing homework, I'm also eating spaghetti. Yay! Outside looks so bad. Look at all those snows. Yesterday it was just like there's nothing, and today it's just like, oh, so bad. But anywho, this is my favorite song for right now too, by Adele. All I Ask. Such a good song. So good, you know. So good. I'm literally so tired. Like, I just want to sleep. I don't want to type anymore. There's just too much crap to do. I just want to sleep. Just sleep. This is how I study. Equilibrium. When my dad said I ain't going to school, hopefully my dad means what he said. Me not going to school because I'm planning to stay up because I don't like school. But I work tomorrow. So that's sad. But anyways, good night.